Hey guys, I'm sorry about that on the last tutorial. This is supposed to be email, so that you can show that we are collecting the email from the user, but we can just copy all of that and then just put in here for a password. Um, just say password so that the user can just put in a password. So I'm gonna change this to password. If you want to learn more about the input element, you can just comment below and then I'll do a tutorial about that. You can just use all the types of attributes that are there in a form. So let me just hit Ctrl save. Wow, that's a lot of saving. So as you can see, this is how our form looks like currently. But there is only one thing that is in short, which is a button. We need a button for our form. So I'm gonna do the same thing, just copy and paste. If you're using Windows, to just copy, just hit Control and then C, and then when you want to paste, Control V to just paste that. Then here we just remove the label. As I've said, if you want to have a tutorial on these, you can just comment down below. So just what about that? Supposed to be submit. And then it has a value attribute, um, which is what will be written on our button. So as you can see, just wrote submit. So yeah, guys, you can just go crazy about these and then input the date input. So yeah, guys, if you want a tutorial a series on the input tags, I can do that. But right now we're gonna start to style our web page on the next series. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah.